Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the email template editor in the ShippingEasy Customer Marketing tool. Our drag and drop editor makes building great looking emails a breeze, so let's jump right in. Today I'm going to start with one of our beautiful pre-made templates and show you the basics of customization. Anytime you go to create a regular or automated email campaign under the marketing section of your ShippingEasy account, you'll be taken to the editor where you can review the styling and content. The amount of customization is up to you. You can even start from scratch or with a layout if you want. So I have my template up. I'm going to show you the basics of customizing it. The email is made up of blocks that you add and edit. You can see the content on the right side here. If you want to add something, just click and drag it where you want it to be. The email doesn't have any of my social media links, so I'll add the social media content like this and put it at the bottom. Then while I'm clicked on this content, I just click each social media icon that I want to add. Then I fill in my specific URL for each platform on the right. If I want to add an image, I'll drag the image content, then click on it and add the image either by uploading it or adding the URL here. This works the same whether it's buttons, text, dividers, or anything else. If you create a block you think you might use for multiple emails, you can save it using this button here. Give it a name, and then drag this pre-made block into future emails. Building a beautiful email is as easy as drag and drop. If I click on my text block, all my normal customization options come up, allowing me to shape the text however I like, just like any word processing program. Now, while I'm on the text block, I want to talk about one of the most important features in the template editor, the variables. Variables are pieces of information pulled about the order from either the customer, the store, or the order itself. They can be added to a text block via this menu here. Let's say I want my customer's name in this email. I'll just say hello, then add the customer first name variable next to it. Now every customer will see their name here. There are a lot of variables, so play around with it and take your email personalization to the next level. Now that's the basics of our really simple template editor. I'm going to show you a sped up version of our email marketing specialist, Lindsay, using it to build a beautiful email from scratch in about 10 minutes. There you go. For the Help Center article on this topic, click Help Center in the bottom right and search Template Editor. Click the second result that says How can I customize campaign templates? And there you go. Thanks for watching, everyone.